Alright, so I got this PS3, bought it from online for a good price. So the plan was to put this into my van so that my kids can play, watch movies and everything. But first, we're going to try it if it's working, because the owner said it has a problem. So first we're gonna have to power this thing up, right? So that's what's up. We have a red light. Sounds good. That looks good. So let's turn it on. But first we're gonna have to hook up the HDMI. Okay, so now the PS3 is hooked up to the TV, which is right there. So let's turn it on. Alright. There's green. There's a grinding sound. And it stopped. So there's nothing. No signal on the TV. So that's pretty much our problem. So we're going to open it and see what happens. If you do this job, make sure you have the right tools, because the screw in this front end here, this screw, it's a star with a hole. You need a star with a hole in it, a torch. You can see. Sure, you can see it, but right there. See that? So it's a star, but you need the hole, a torch with a hole in the center. So you can get away with a screwdriver, a very small screwdriver. That's what I use. Right? Just kind of push it on the side and turn it like that. But I would recommend to have right tools for this job. There's 2 discs in there. I wonder. So this is the 1 disc, and there is 1 more on the bottom. Stupid guy. Two disc, 3 disc, and 4 disc. Can you imagine? 4 disc. Jesus. Okay, so now we can put this back. I hope that's all the problem we have. But since we are here, I'm gonna start cleaning this thing up too. Alright, so everything's set up, hooked up the remote, as you can see, right? Everything, cable is already on the component. So we have a red light on, so let's turn it on if it's working. So green, no noise, good thing. Let's see if we have signal on the TV. Oh, there you go. Hey, boy, PS3, there you go. All right, seems to be working. Okay. Let's see if your remote works. Oh, there you go. Okay, let's see that account. All right, here it is. Okay. Everything is in here. All right, so now let's put a game on it. So let's put a game. So let's put our Grand Theft Auto here. Let's see if it works. Ooh. All right. No noise. See if we're working. Oh, there you go. It's loading. Come on. Come on, give me something. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Seems like it's working. Okay. Alright, so this is done. It works and everything. So at least we got it fixed.